In today's video, I'll teach you how to find best deals on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Facebook application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in facebook.com/marketplace. Now press enter. After you do that, you'll directly be led to the marketplace interface of Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to find the best deals on Facebook, there are few searching and filtering tips that you can use. The first tip is to simply be specific in your search. For example, if you want to buy the chair, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now, instead of normally typing the chair, what you can do is be more specific. For example, you can simply type in mid-century modern accent chair. You can be as specific as possible. Now press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the items over here. Simply scroll down and find the item that you like the best. Also, you'll be able to sort by price, condition, date listed, availability, etc. You can also apply these filters in order to get the best deals. You can also filter by the location if you want. Right over here, you'll be able to see the location that is selected right now. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to apply the location over here. Type in the location, also select the radius. Click on the field of radius. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you click on the options of more radius, you'll be able to find more deals. After you do that, scroll down and click on this option, apply. Now you'll be able to see the items over here. Now you'll be able to find more deals, out of which you'll be able to determine the best deal for you. The next tip that you can use is setting up the alerts. What you have to do is simply save your searches. You'll be able to see the thing that you searched for over here. Click on this option, notify me, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see over here, you'll be able to select the price range. First of all, enter the minimum price. Now what you have to do is enter the maximum price over here. After you do that, you can also select the location if you want. Now after you enter the information, click on this option, create alert, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular alert will be created. Now you'll be notified when a new item that matches your criteria is listed. The next tip that you can use is simply try using the varying keywords. What you have to do is try different keywords to find the hidden gems. For example, I've entered this keyword over here. You can simply erase it. Now what you can do is simply use an alternative word for here. Here I'm just going to type in vintage chair and press enter. Now you can see the results over here. You'll be able to find more items. Out of which you'll be able to see the best deal available for you. So like this, you'll be able to find the best deal. So that is how you find best deals on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.